Hello everyone, thanks for watching. This is a video on a PCV valve replacement. This is on my pickup, a 1997 Chevy 1500. It's got the Vortec 4.3 liter V6 engine. So pretty much I did this quick video on the location on my pickup and the replacement. As you can see, it's on the driver's side, right next to the oil cap where you fill your oil. Well, where I fill my oil. It's only being held in by suction. It's not even screwed in. So I pretty much pulled it out with my hand. No special tools required. I thought it was going to be harder to find, but actually it was pretty simple to find here on my pickup. Anyways, so as you can see, the old PCV valve looks a little bit dirty. I know it's got some oil on it. And this is the new PCV valve that you see here. Make sure, or at least in my case, I checked to see that my hose did not have any air leaks. It was working properly. So if you're going to do a replacement on your PCV valve by any chance, make sure your hose that connects to your PCV valve doesn't have any air leaks. I checked it on mine. Mine was working properly. And here I am just installing the new one, pushing it back in. It's only about $6-7 replacement in my case, and it gives you a little bit of peace of mind. Better be safe than sorry. And I hope this helped you out and to locate yours if by any chance. But this is pretty much the process that I follow on replacing it on my pickup, and I hope this may help you find yours and replace.